What's this? Wow! Mom! Buy me this wheel!
How much is it, sweetie? Let's see how much I've got. Oh, better save this for later. Oh, sorry, honey. No money.
Ugh! But I want that wheel!
Oh, I know. Honey, I need your chair. Just like that. Here, look.
So?
We'll make our own wheel.
What?
It's simple. Just put the chair like this. And now set the phone here. See?
Oh, cool! Let me try. It works! Awesome! Vroom! Vroom! Oh, love this Rubik's Cube! Wow! Can I play? Back off! I won! Yay!
2 of the board, young lady.
Darn! Time to teach this greedy girl a lesson.
What a long day.
Huh? Oh, you. I'm done.
Huh?
Good job.
Guess I need some protection. Easy peasy. What? Oops. Gotta answer. Looks like it's my turn to play. Wow, so cool. Need to turn this side. Ouch! That hurt! Gotcha! Wow, tennis players look so cool! Let's see what we got here. Time to change the outfit. Nice! Now let's try to play. Alright, ball. Ready? Come to mama. Hi-ya!
Oh my gosh! What was that? Oh, such a troublemaker. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Were you trying to wreck the house?
Sorry.
Calm down. Let's just play together.
What?
But first, let's prepare the place. Like this. Now you can hit the ball safely. See? No problem.
Cool!
So, today you'll have an exam.
Okay. I'd rather play. Wow, my fave game! Cut the rope! Let's go, Omnom! Cool! Let me see. Oh, you got it! Yay!
Hey! Give me that right now! What's this?
Ugh, stupid exam. Huh?
Let's turn it.
Hey! Look! Huh? Whoa!
Ooh.
This is fun!
Perfect! Now we can copy the answers. Huh? What's going on? My belly! Hey! Psst. What? I'm starving! Ah, gotcha! Let's see what I have. Noodles! Yay! Here! My precious! Enjoy! Oh, no! Wait! I'll figure something out. Huh? Just fold this paper. One sec! Done! Let's pour water in. Now add the noodles. You sure? Oh no! Water spilled! Oh…
Magic show awaits you! Hey! Give it back!
This should work. Let's pour water here. Oh yeah, it works! All the water's on the floor. What are you talking about? Uh-oh. Oops. I'm so done with this. I'll get you, Noodles! Let's just cut a slot in the pack. Like this. Then open and pour water right inside. Now you won't spill. Grab chopsticks and stir it up. All done! Time to eat! Nice! I'm digging in too! Oh, yeah! Bon appetit! Yummy, right? How could you leave me?
Sweetie, time to eat. Huh?
Not fair! Why doesn't he love me?
Honey, stop crying. Eat.
I don't want to eat!
Oh my! Maybe you need some time alone. How do I feed her? Oh, I know. Room service, ready to work. Good evening, young lady. Tonight's menu is yummy lobster.
Oh, don't want it!
What? Oh.
Huh? Oh, coffee will help me forget! And this chocolate, too! Oh, yum yum! Whatever. Moving on. Delicious!
These little cars are so handy. Enjoy, sweetie.
Oh yeah. Nobody's better at math than me. Huh? Hey! What happened? Ah! Ah! What's with your face? So what? I don't know. Anyway, check out my homework. See how smart I am? You're supposed to add, not just write numbers side by side. Oh, got it. Lend me your calculator. Phew, that was close. Ouch, that was my pillow! Now what? Oh, I know. Sorry, I need your clothes.
What the heck?
That's better. Good night. Ooh, I want to sleep too! Give it! Whoa! Oops. Time for some changes. Oh, yeah. Now let's fix this hoodie. Whoa! Done! Time to try it on. Nice. Now I can finally rest. Ouch! Whoa! This outfit looks comfy. Hey, can I lay here too? Whatever. I'm dozing off. Oh yeah! I'm totally out of energy. Just gonna rest my eyes. So good. Hey, wake up! Wow! Finally! I'm the happiest ever!
Come to me, darling.
This is the best day of my life!
Kiss me.
Ew! Wake up! What? Oh, it was a dream. Drawing sucks. Gotta think of something. Oh, I know. Huh? You need to try relax drawing. What? Whoa! Down here. Way comfier, right? Oh yeah, much better. Huh? Heh, whatever. I like it.